Welcome back to Physics Short Classes. This is the second part of physical world. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about the fundamental forces in nature. And also we are going to discuss about the nature of physical laws. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. There are four different fundamental forces in nature. We are going to discuss each of them in detail one by one. The first fundamental force is the gravitational force. So this is the force between any two objects by virtue of their masses. Two masses separated by a certain distance, they will always attract each other. And this is the weakest force among the forces in nature. And it is long range force. That means even though two objects are placed at infinite distance apart, then also they will exert gravitational force. Though it is very small, but still there is a force. And gravitational force is always attractive in nature. The next force is electromagnetic force. It is the force between any two charges. This force is stronger than the gravitational force. It is almost 10 raised to 36 times stronger than gravitational force. Like gravitational force, electromagnetic force is also long range force. That means even though the two charges are at infinite distance from each other, they will experience force on each other. But electromagnetic force can be both attractive in nature and repulsive in nature. Students, remember that among the four fundamental forces in nature, electromagnetic force is only force which can be repulsive. The third fundamental force is strong nuclear force. It is the force between any two nucleons. This force is responsible for holding the nucleons together in a nucleus of an atom. As the name itself suggests, this is the strongest among all the forces in nature. It is 100 times stronger than electromagnetic force. But this force is short range force. It will exist only if two nucleons are at a distance of 10 raised to minus 15 meter apart. If distance of separation increases, the force vanishes. Strong nuclear force is always attractive in nature. It is a charge independent force. That means if we consider different pairs of proton-proton, proton-neutron, neutron and neutron, the nuclear force is the same. It is independent of the charge. The last fundamental force in nature is the weak nuclear force. It is the special type of the force which appears in nuclear processes such as beta decay. When a neutron is converted into proton or vice versa, we releasing the neutrino. So then these weak nuclear forces comes into play here. Students, do not get confused with the name weak nuclear force. This name has been suggested because this force is weaker than the strong nuclear force. Even though it is weaker than the electromagnetic force, but it is much stronger than the gravitational force. It is not the weakest force. It is just weaker than the strong nuclear force. This is a short range force. It is of the order of 10 raised to minus 16 meters. Again, it is also attractive in nature. These are the four forces among which gravitational force is a strong weakest force, strong nuclear force is the strongest force, electromagnetic force is the only force which is repulsive. Also, it is attractive. Students, let us consider nature of physical laws. The conservation laws. There are some physical quantities which remain same during a natural phenomena, and conservation laws deals with physical quantities which remain unchanged during a phenomena. We all are aware of the conservation of energy, which says that energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be transformed from one form to another form. That means the total energy of the universe remains always constant. Like energy, there are other physical quantities which are conserved. Linear momentum, angular momentum, charge are the examples. Conservation laws helped us to minimize the number of basic laws. Bernoulli's principle, first law of thermodynamics are different forms of conservation of energy only. And also it helped us to discover the existence of the neutrino, which is massless chargeless particle. These conservation laws has close relationship between symmetries of nature. Laws of nature does not change with time and space. They are same everywhere in the universe. If we carry out an experiment today, tomorrow, or after a year, it remains the same. This is known as symmetries. Example is the law of gravitation is the same both on moon and the earth. Some physicists and their contributions are tabulated below. Observe the name of the scientist and their discovery or the contribution. Student, these are the most often asked questions in the examinations. And remember that these names and discoveries are not enough. You have to develop your general knowledge and be aware during the study of each topic. Whenever the name of the scientist and their contribution are mentioned in different chapters, you have to remember them also. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe the channel in order to observe the more interesting videos.